Hey folks, so today we're going to talk about this drone right here. It is from DJI. The drone is called Tello. If it is still worth buying in 2023. This drone was released back in 2018 and I got mine for I think 2 years now. So pretty much this is an old phone. We just wanted to see if this is still worth buying in 2023. Now, of course, this is not a cheap drone. Probably it is the smallest drone in DJI drone lines. But the thing here, whenever you're going to wanted to buy any of the drones, it's more of like an investment, at least for me, because I wanted to buy a drone and then after a month or two, or probably for just a week, and then you can't use it anymore. Now obviously this drone is not the latest one, so there's a lot of new technologies already that's not in this drone already. So pretty much what you wanted is that something that is still usable even after like a year or two, or probably after 5 years. So as you can see right here, this drone has been used for quite some times now. It is pretty dirty, it crashed for like countless times when I try to fly it. But right now, until now, I'm still not master when it comes to like flying drones. So let's see if this is still worth buying. Now I'm going to show you how to fly it, and of course its tricks, because just like any other drones out there, this drone has flight modes. It is an automated maneuver. Basically it's like an automated trick that you can do in a drone. So let's check it out. Okay, so as you can see, we have the drone ready. You can see the green light blinking there. That means it's now connected to my phone and it is ready to fly. So that's my cat right there. So what you basically needs to do is to simply tap on this icon right here, and then it says slide to take off, and then all you need to do is just slide it and that should fly. Okay, so there you go. That's the drone right there. It's pretty steady. Well, according to the specs, it can fly up to 10 minutes duration. So let's see about that. Now I wanted to show you some cool tricks that this drone has. So let me see if there's something that I can actually show you. This is kind of hard. Alright, so flight mode here. If you're going to tap, let me see if we can actually do this right now. Okay, so we might need to like take it up a little bit right there. Okay, there we go. So flight mode, like if you're going to click that, there's an 8D flip, far up and away, circle, bounce mode, turn and go, 360, but I'm not gonna be able to do the up and away from here because it's gonna take off like up and away. That should probably bounce in my wall. Circle as well, I'm not gonna be able to do that indoor, but just wanted to show you just simply how steady the drone actually. I'm like 1 feet away from the drone, but it's pretty stable. Alright, you can actually see that right there, how stable that is. So now what we wanted to do is try one trick. It is one of my favorite right here. It is the 8D flip. Basically what it does is if you're going to slide it like this. The drone is basically going to, like, you know, flip. It's going to flip it like this. It's going to flip like that. Alright, that's pretty cool, right? One more time. We can also make it flip towards us. Let's see. By just simply sliding it right here. That's crazy, right? Or that's actually away or towards us. Slide up. That's very cool. So you can see how steady that is, given that, you know, there's actually air condition right there, like blowing air to that drone, but it is pretty steady. Now, there's, you know, some other videos out there that's actually going to show you more of the capabilities of this drone right here, but for me, the drone is worth buying. As a matter of fact, it is now, you know, it's even more expensive compared before, because I only got it for like 5,000 plus, but right now it's like 6,000. The value isn't actually getting any lower, so it is worth buying. It is definitely worth, you know, every peso that you got. It lasts for quite a while. There. So let's go land this thing, right? So all you need to do is click that arrow down button right there, and then tap to land, or there's also like hand landing, but let's go click the tap to land. Cool, right? Hello, hello Mia, hello Kai Kai, hello Mama. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. Until my next video.